Hello everyone, these are grammar lessons for year 3 and 4 children and this is week 10. This video is for lessons 2 and 3. Now your learning objective for these two lessons is to write effective description. By the end of these two lessons you will be able to recall what an expanded noun phrase is. You will also be able to use expanded noun phrases and exciting adjectives to describe a character, and you will even be able to use expanded noun phrases and exciting adjectives to describe a setting. So before we go any further, I'd like you to watch this short animation. It's called Invasion and you should be able to find it on YouTube. The link is there for you. It's going to help you with your writing today. Once you've watched that animation, come back to this video and I'll explain what you're going to do next. So hopefully you managed to find that animation easily and watch it. You'll know, if you did, that this alien here is the main character in the animation, and we're going to have a quick think before we go anywhere else about the adjectives that we can use to describe the alien in the film. So I've had a go at this, but before I tell you which words I have thought of, I want you to have a think about some adjectives that you could use to describe both the appearance and the personality of this alien. So the appearance is what the alien looks like, and the personality is about the alien's character. And hopefully if you've watched the video, you should know what the alien's character is from the way he behaves, the things he does, or anything that he might say. Pause the video, see if you can write down a couple of adjectives, and then I'll go through some of the words that I thought of. So starting with appearance then, I thought of miniature, which is a way of saying very, very small. Smooth, talking about the look of his skin. Silvery, the colour. Stout, quite little, short and fat. And pliable. Pliable is another way of saying soft or bendy or squashy. I tried to choose words that I wouldn't use ordinarily in my language, tier 2 words. I tried to make my adjectives as exciting and as descriptive as I could. Moving on to personality then. Cheerful, determined, he doesn't give up, does he? Cheeky, he's got a cheeky smile in this picture. Aquatic. Aquatic means it lives in water, and if you were looking really carefully, and you can see it in this picture actually, his helmet is full of water. So normally when we would go to space as a human being, we would wear a helmet that would be full of oxygen to keep us alive. This alien has got his helmet full of water, so he must be aquatic. Aqua means water. And finally, solitary, which means he's on his own, isn't he? He doesn't have any alien friends, companions with him on this planet. He is solitary when we see him in this film. I wonder if you had any adjectives that were the same as mine or any that were similar. There are lots and lots you could have chosen from. So in this lesson, I would like you to use the adjectives that we've thought about, either the ones that are on your list or the ones that I've chosen, and I'd like you to put them into sentences so that you can write a detailed description of the alien in the film. So at the moment we've just looked at individual words. I'd like you to put those words into expanded noun phrases and write me a detailed description of the alien. There is a sheet which has got more instructions for you, and it also has some ideas of some other adjectives that you could use. In tomorrow's lesson, I'd like you to think about the setting. So I would like you to write me a detailed description of the setting the alien encounters when it first emerges from his spaceship. He lands on the Earth, the door opens. What does the alien see? And I'd like you to think about the adjectives that you could use, make them as exciting as possible, and then put them into sentences, expanded noun phrases, so that you've written a paragraph or two about the setting. And again, there are more detailed instructions on the sheet, so have a look for some ideas. Good luck with your writing, and I'll see you soon.